All right, this is a session recap for the 8th day of November. This morning we were watching as the dollar finally broke through. It did break through this bottom right here. So we're firmly committed to the downside move here, all right? And MACD telling you you're going down. So we're going with dollar weakness. Now, dollar weakness means euro to the upside. And as you can see, she's trying to push up. We don't have 55 pips to the target, but the target is 107.36 right there. And the ATR on the euro dollar is, let me get it up here. Make this bigger so I can see it. Euro dollar, 78 pips, right? Over to pound dollar. We're in this trade live this morning, and we're up a few pips here with the next position coming in up here. We're looking for 23.42 right above the ATR there. Pound dollar has a 95 pip ATR. All right, dollar Swissy. Dollar Swissy, we're almost to target right now, as you can see, and we'll probably have no problem hitting it by today. And dollar Swissy has a 59 pip ATR. Now, dollar yen's a different story because the pounds, the yens have been sold all days, which means the dollar yen goes up. So this may be a pullback to go again to the target, which is at 154.27. It may also be the top, at which case they're going to turn it and follow the dollar down. So stay out of it till you know what it is. Dollar yen is 92 pip ATR. Aussie dollar. Dollar going down now. That should turn to the upside. Has not yet. We're looking for that trade right there up to 64.83. Aussie dollar has an ATR of 64 pips. Euro yen. Tried to trade this morning and we missed it, unfortunately. And we're still looking for 161.90. If we get a pullback down here to the 382 or so, we'll look for that trade to finish off tonight. Remember, it's going up when the dollar is going down. So if the dollar keeps going down after the pullback, watch for the bounce to the upside. Wait for 5 o'clock, get a new ATR. Right now, it's 112 pips. Pound yen. We also tried to trade this all morning and just wouldn't give us an opportunity. It never got to the 382, so there's nothing to do here. And now we'll just extend this up to here. Get on that thing right there. Now we'll extend it up to here. Now there's the new 382. We're looking to go all the way up here to 186.45. Big trade, 141 pip ATR. Big trade. New Zealand dollar. Waiting for the breakout up. Has not happened. Breakout up. Our target is going to be 59.79 up there. And New Zealand dollar has an ATR of 57 pips. Aussie yen, right? Aussie yen, we got it to the upside right now. Aussie yen goes opposite the dollar, so we'll adjust this a little bit. I'll do it later. So right now it's a flag pattern to the upside, as you can see. All right, so they're doing a flag. All right, and there's the target up there. All right, target is at 97.50 up there, and Aussie yen has an ATR of 82 pips. Over to can't trade the euro pound. It's not ATR is only 37 pips, so walk away from it. Almost a target right now. We just missed this trade this morning. Daggone, it's too bad. And there it is. It's 6,700 right there is the target. Euro Aussie has 134 pip ATR. Same thing on pound Aussie. Just missed it. Never got a chance to get in. Just kept climbing up the hill. Target is 91.81. Pound Aussie has an ATR of 147 pips. Same thing on Euro New Zealand. We never got a hook, so we never got an opportunity to trade this. All right, now getting a pullback. So what do? All right, I go grab the fib and I fib it from the swing low of the leg to the high of the leg. I'm looking for a bounce on the 382. If I get the bounce on the 382, down to the 382, bounce here, and I'm looking for that trade right there. And that could happen anytime if it finishes. So it's still in play. Euro New Zealand, 140 pip ATR. Pound New Zealand, same thing. Missed this one too. All right. And once we got plenty of room here. So if we get a pullback to the 382, you want to make that trade up to 2.0800. Pound New Zealand has got an ATR of 145 pips. New Zealand yen. All right, New Zealand yen, we're waiting for it to bounce. It's not doing anything, just doing a flag pattern, which is okay. Target is now 97, excuse me. We'll actually hold for 90.20 up there. And New Zealand yen has a 74 pip ATR. Aussie Swissy, hard to trade it because it has less than a 55 pip ATR. We're going to nail that easily by today, and it'll be done. All right. So Aussie Swissy, only 52 pip ATR. Pound Swissy. We waited for this to break all morning and it never would break. It's still structured to go down, so we're leaving it alone. But with dollar going down, pound Swissy might go to the upside. MACD says, don't even think about that yet. Structure says, don't even think about that yet. So we may get an A, B, C up to here and then a turn to the downside. So watch that tonight. You're going to look for a 109.82 down here. And the ATR on the pound Swissy is 77 pips. Finally, Aussie New Zealand, we're almost at target right now, just a couple of pips left here at 108.15. And Aussie New Zealand has only a 49 pip ATR, so it's virtually impossible to trade it for us. Okay. All righty, there we go.